How to make easy passive income with these cryptocurrencies. This is no investment involved for these apps here. I'm going to show you 3 apps today. Really quick video. You don't need to invest anything. Just a few apps that you can use here. And please do subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online. I have hundreds of other videos in my back catalog. And also in the description of this video, in addition to the links to the apps that have been mentioned today, I have some additional resources down here in the video as well. The cashback app here that I got over $2,000 back from. All these apps I'm going to show you today as well. You can refer people and make even more cryptocurrency. So thank you in advance for using my referral links. And then I have another video down here about how to get more referrals at different places that you can check out. If you're interested in making an affiliate marketing website in WordPress that gets results, check out this video as well. Just a bunch of other stuff down there in the video description, so check that out. Smash the like button, hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos coming in when you do subscribe, and leave some comments down below. Let me know if you have any of your favorite apps that you want me to check out or whatever, or that other ones that you might recommend. Anyways, let's get into this. The first app up to date is CryptoTab. I've mentioned them before because I've been using them for a long time. As you can see right now, I have about $797 in Bitcoin that I've accumulated that I did nothing for except install this web browser and use this web browser and invite more people into my network like I'm doing today. And you could do the same. Now let's check this out. I invited over 16,000 people into this network so far. Like I said, I've been using it for a while. It just accumulates Bitcoin for you. It just mines while you're browsing the web, and they have a bunch of other stuff here for you to refer people and stuff like that with as well. They have a bunch of stuff, promo ready stuff for your Instagram sharing or whatever social. They have landing pages, they have banners for your websites if you have a website, and of course you get your own codes and stuff like that. There's even like text or these photos you can download and use for all your things to share, because like I said, once you share, you get more people in your network. And the way this works is pretty cool, because let's go back to my dashboard here. All my referrals, once they refer people, there's all these different levels here. For example, level 1 I have 44 active miners, level 2 I have 27 miners, level 3 I have 192 miners, and so on and so forth up to this point or whatever. So I get a higher mining rate and a faster mining rate from my people that you refer as well. So you're going to want to download this, use my referral, you'll be in my network, and then you're going to refer people to your network. And it just, you don't have to refer people for it to work, but you get higher mining if you do that way. And they have it available for your desktop. They have it available for iOS. This is the rating here for 4.1 out of 5. Very good indeed. They have it for Android as well. 4.2 out of 5 on the rankings there. So pretty cool app that I've been using a long time. Like I said, it's called CryptoTab. There's a link in the video description below for this to sign up to use my referral link. So thanks in advance indeed. Now let's move on here to the next one, which is the Pi Network. I've also been using them for a long time. Now this, you need the invite. I have the invite code or whatever. My name, Greg1. It's GREG1. So when you sign up for this, you're going to want to use my invite code, and you'll be in my network as well. And on the Apple Store here, this is, or the whatever this is, iOS Store here, this is a 4.3 out of 5. So a very good ranking for this one as well. That's over 7,000 ratings. On the Android devices, it is 4.4 out of 5. Over 300,000 reviews here as well. Now let's take a look at that, because they do have a there's no web browser for this. Actually, there is, but I'll get into that later. You want to download the app on your phone or your pad or iPad or whatever, and then they have a node 2 here, which looks like this. And as you can see right now, I have a lot of Pi that I've been accumulating over the last, whatever amount of time. I've been using this app for a while, actually. And here's my network. And like I said, it's just a really cool app for mining free cryptocurrencies. At the time of making this video, we don't know what this is going to be worth yet. They're coming out maybe at the end of this year. This is 2021, and they've been doing this stuff for a while, and there's no there is a timeline, but I'm not sure exactly when it's going to hit any market or whatever. So that's another really cool app that you can check out to get some free passive what's it called, Pi. They don't call it Bitcoin, it's called Pi. And basically all you do is each day is you log into your phone and you just hit the mining button every 24 hours and then you're good to go. Now the next app up on this list is just very similar to it. It's a newer one. It's almost just like the Pi network. It's called the B network. That's BEE network, and as you can see here on Android, they got a 4.6 out of 5 with 23,000 reviews. On the iOS store, they got, what do they got here? 4.6 out of 5 at about 4,000 reviews. And here's a screenshot of mine because I have it on my iPad. Where is that at? Right now I have about 2,000, well, almost close to 3,000 B, I guess they call them. I don't know what they're exactly called. I guess it's called the B, whatever. So anyways, get into my network on this one as well. And like I said, it's to refer people to get even more. Check out the link in the video description below. Like I said, that's one way you can refer people. There's some tips down there. You can make YouTube videos such as this. You can share it on your Instagram, your Twitter, whatever, Facebook, all that fun stuff. And if you have any questions, please do leave them in the comments below. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell as well to be notified of new videos coming out. And if you have any suggestions for apps that you want me to take a look at or whatever, put them in the links in the description or the comments below. Don't put any links down there because I have the links blocked and they're gonna be marked as spam. I won't see them. Just put the name of whatever it is down there. And if you want, put your referral codes down there. And you know, if you're watching this video this long, put your referral codes down there. And if other people are watching it this long, you could use their referral codes as well instead of mine. I don't care, whatever. That's a bonus for watching the video this long, because I know most people don't watch the video this long. You know, I'm just talking to myself at this point, and no one's ever going to hear it, but maybe you are hearing it. I don't know. Anyways, that is all for now, and I will talk to you soon.